example 1 says, if Daniel, let's get rid of that. If Daniel can paint one house in 6 days, how many houses can he paint in 72 days? So I like to set it up like this. I know he can paint one house, let's do it in a different color, one house in 6 days. So I'm going to say one house equals 6 days. And I want to know how many houses, blank houses, can he paint in 72 days? So I need to know that number there. And I can look for a pattern. So I'm going to say, okay, how do I get from 6 to 72? And I'm going to use multiplication. I'm thinking, okay, 6 times 10 is 60. 6 times 11 is 66. 6 times 12 is 72. I'm just going to write that over here. 6 times 12 is 72. So that means I need to multiply by 12 on the other side where I'm talking about the houses. So I'm going to multiply 1 times 12, and 12 times 1, or 1 times 12, is 12. And that's my answer, 12 houses. Daniel can paint 12 houses in 72 days. Oh, maybe I should say houses. There we go. In 72 days. So I just like to set it up kind of like this. It's just easier for me to see. Okay, the next question says, Amy travels a distance of 855 miles in 9 hours by train. What is the speed of the train? So we talk about speed in miles per hour. So I'm going to put my miles on top. Well, let me explain this. Per means we are going to divide. And we're going to put our miles on top. And we're going to put our hours on the bottom. So it's going to look like this. Miles per hour. Okay, so my miles is 855 miles. So I'm going to say 855. I'm going to put my division sign. And then my hours is 9 hours. So I'm going to divide by 9. So now I actually have to divide 855 by 9. So I'm going to say 855 divided by, or I guess I could do that in blue, divided by 9. Okay, 9 does not go into just 8, so we have to look at 85. 9 goes into 85. Well, 9 times 10 is 90. That's too big. 9 times 9 is 81. So it goes in 9 times. 9 times 9 is 81. So I'm going to subtract 85 minus 81, which is 4. We're going to bring down the 5. So 9 goes into 45 5 times. Perfectly, actually. 9 times 5 is 45. Put in the right color. So 9 times 5 is 45. 45 minus 45 is 0. So this means the train is traveling 95 miles per hour. Or you can shorten it to 95 mph. Ooh, that's pretty fast. Awesome. And those were 2 examples for this module.